everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Mubango from the 16th to the 28th of August 2021 on Monday. Azwindini is convinced that Suzanne wants to see him to talk about patching things up. James only goes to the bachelor party because his client will be there. He gets the fright of his life. Then they decide to buy KK's house. Shaz asks Andrew where their relationship is going on Tuesday. Azwindini meets with Suzanne, confident of their love for each other. Ndibabo is moving to Johannesburg and eager to meet Katlego, who may not have been entirely honest about himself. Shaz makes a decision about Andrew and leaves to regret it on Wednesday. Suzanne and Azwindini have reached a point of no return. Imani wants James' sister out of their house on Thursday. A hopefully young girl's dream of a whirlwind romance comes crashing down on him. What is Itseng hiding? Gizara has an absurd request for Hangwani on Friday. Shaz feels Hangwani doesn't see her. Suzanne isn't happy to be back at the royal house. Mpho received an unpleasant visitor from her past. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.